Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finastenair, and today I'm going to do this quiz. This is called, Are You a Dog or a Cat? Okay, let's do it. Which is a better place to relax? I'm gonna pick sofa. Which of these foods do you like? You can pick more than one. I don't like peanut butter. I like chicken fries. I can pick chicken. Pick more. I like chicken. I don't know. I'm just gonna pick one. I'm just gonna pick chicken. I have to click next. Introvert or extrovert? Gonna click this one. Which of these activities seem the most fun to you? You can pick more than one answer. Playing with my friends and going for a walk and run in the park. Which do you prefer? I like summer because summer's coming up. How often do you wash yourself? I'm going to click this one. Oh my gosh, I'm a dog. Wow. Yep, I'm a dog. Congrats, you are a dog. You are extroverted and make friends easily. You are a playful and love going outside, although sometimes stubborn. You're extremely loyal to your friends, and people can't help but like you. You sometimes find yourself getting into trouble because of your curious nature, but people usually forgive you because of how lovable you are. You also probably enjoy eating peanut butter. Here it is. I'm a dog. Yep, I'm also a dog fan too because I'm a Canine Crooner fan. Alexander, stop! Quit throwing sticks at my window. Alexander, you're gonna break the window. Alexander! My brother is being silly right now. Alex is being silly right now. So here's this quiz. Is called, Are you a dog or a cat? Yep, I'm a dog. So, goodbye and have a good day.